So in our computer we have Zen Blue and we have Zen Black, and they're both just as easy to use for doing orthogonal projection. We're going to open up Zen Blue first and see here. Pick either one, doesn't matter. The Pro version just loads all the camera modules and stuff. Image processing just loads the image processing part. Either will do fine. Let's open up a file here that's GG's file. It's about 56 slices and it's a 3D image. Well, in slices, but once you open it up, you're going to see that there are all these slices here, and there are multiple ways to view it. And let's go to 3D and see what it looks like. You have here shadow, transparency, maximum, surface, and mixed. All these modes basically are different ways to view things, and we want the maximum intensity projection. Turn off everything here, and the rulers, the annotations, and you have the bare image that you want for analysis, and click create image. Once it's done, you're going to see that the image that you want has been created. Now, this is not the format you want, of course, but we'll do the export later. Let's come back here, and in the 2D mode, we have all the slices back again. So we used the 3D mode before, and this time we're going to use the orthogonal mode. And here you can move around in the plane. You can also move around the z-axis if you need to. Just if you come down here, you're going to see a maximum intensity projection. Check it, and it's going to give you that. And after you have that image, all you need to do is create an image out of it, and the option is right here. Once you click create, you're going to see the image that you want. You may have to chop off the top and bottom, the side, the other projections, but essentially that's what the projection is. And now we need to export it, and there's a couple of ways to do it. One is you can come to method and click on image export. Sorry, I used the recent used ones. It's in my history, so it's actually down here in the export import options, and you have image export. And the other way to get it is go to file, export, import, and you have an export option as well. Either way, after you have the export option, click on the TIF format so you don't have any lossy data. You can convert to 8-bit if you want to. Original data actually takes the image as it is and doesn't apply the color curves here that you generated. But if you want the color curves, then you don't need to check the original data. So I'm just going to choose a folder here to save my data at, and just create a folder inside this and call it examples. So and it's going to create a folder. So after all that's done, see, if I now hit apply, it's going to give me an error message. That's because I haven't selected an image. So make sure you drag the image you generated into the input, then check everything and click apply, and it's done. You can go back and check on the image, and we'll do that right now. And it's here, and there you go, the projected image. Now you'll see the dimension here is 1249 by 1249, which is the dimension that was there on that image, which includes the top and the right sections. I think the image originally was 1024 by 1024. Anyway, I'm going to close Zen Blue now, and I'll show you how to do it in Zen Black edition. And it's similar. Now, and when you open up Zen Black, it's going to give an error message because we don't have laser modules and stuff on Zen Black. It's on Zen Blue. So just click OK, it's fine. We don't need a database. Just click image processing and open up Zen Black. And here you're going to see that it's an image processing software, so there is maximum intensity projection right at the top. I'll open up GG's image again. Same image that we worked with in Zen Blue, and here you'll see all the slices back, all the 56 slices with their own color curves. And I will select this maximum intensity projection method and click select, and that'll select the image I have right now. And as you can see, the left changes but the right doesn't, because the right is a projection and the left is the actual image. Now once you have the method chosen, just click apply, and there you go. Once it's done, you're also going to export it. Now here the export has multiple options, and I'll show you all of them. You have different ways, different formats you can export at. If you want to export in different like 12-bit, 16-bit files, I'll just do the regular AF file, which is 8-bit. And the raw data, single plane, you can kind of export um, like single channels, like defining RGB values, or you can have just one like that, just one channel image. But that's not what we want, so we want the whole image as it is, whether it's orange, green, red. Now you could do the contents of image single plane, and there is a difference between the contents. It's just going to take the contents as it is, like on your display right now, and I'm just going to save it as image one content, I guess. Yeah, just just to symbolize that it's a content image. So the difference between content and full screen is the resolution, and you'll see. So there you go, it's exported, and it's also saved by that name, so I'll just close it. And we can come back to the original image, and this time I will apply again, because I want to resave it in full resolution. So I'll go again to export, and this time I'll do the full resolution image. And when you do that, and I'll just, same place, but I'll save it in as full. And done. Okay, so we're done. That's all there is to exporting the 3D projection. And just to show you, when we go back to the image, you see that the image full and the image content, the content one has 575 by 575, which is what the display was on your monitor, and this one has 1024 by 1024 full resolution. So if we open the images, you just compare them side by side, and you'll see that definitely the resolution is different, although you can see that from the data itself. But you see that one particle there, that same particle, same cell, so you can see one is bumpier than the other. And that's all.